Hello guys, welcome to Creative Chitra Studio. In today's video, we are going to color grade this photo to this great Moody tone in Lightroom. You can use this preset on any photo to get this amazing result before and after, before and after, before and after. So great. So let's dive into Lightroom. Now I am using PC, but you can also get same result on mobile app of Lightroom. Both are same. So let's get started.
Select light section. Exposure to 0.27. Contrast to 7. Highlights to -24. Shadow to 13. Whites to 16. Blacks to -11. Go to curve section. Make your curve like this. Go to color section. Temperature to 3. Tint to -3. Vibrance to 6. Saturation to -2. Go to color mixer or mix in your mobile. Tap on orange. Saturation to -7. Tap on yellow. Saturation to -53. Tap on green. Saturation to -54. Tap on light blue. Saturation to -71. Tap on violet. Saturation to -2. Go to the color grading or grading in mobile. Set shadows hue to 227 and saturation to 37. Go to highlights. Set highlights hue to 36 and saturation to 21. Luminance to -18. Go to effects. Set texture to 9. Clarity to 7. Dehaze to -2. Vignette to -29. Midpoint to 0. Roundness to -33. Feather to 69. Go to optics. Remove chromatic aberration. Go to geometry. Set distortion to -3. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you love this preset, then like this video and do share to your friend circle. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you again in next video. Bye bye.